Driving down a country road, windows roll down, pretty plain, winding past the open fields, the fresh air is so invigorating, going wherever it may lead, no rush, no plan, enjoy the ride, just me and the countryside.
Go. Init. Sumado lang. Sumado pa rin. Tol. Kalmado pa rin. Kalmado pa rin. Kaya ito nung mangyari.
1, 2, 3, go. Pagsama ka.
Yung dinadaanan natin.
Ayun yung daanan namin.
Tayo ano yung 30 oh. 30.
Ayun o.
Huwag ka muna mag-ano ha.
Jowa. Guys.
Out here I can breathe, I can think.
Guys. Niligaw na kami. Iniwan namin mga kasama namin. Oh. Nang yan.
Wala kami kasama guys.
Paano namin na ito?
Puro nyo sa amin ang daan.
Turo nyo sa amin daan kung saan kami dadaan. Guys. Meh.
Iniwan kami.
Meh. Ayun o. Meh. Kaya ko mausap ng ano eh.
At sila dumaan.
Kambing eh. Ha? Dito lang yan tol. Ayun o.
Parang!
The open fields, the fresh air is so
Meh. Guys. Kakaibang hagdan na naman dito.
Ganyan ang Encantadia guys.
Pagod guys.
Ito guys.
Guys. Pang ilang oras na natin to tol?
Mga 8 hours na siguro.
8 hours sa biyahe tol. Gusto ng mga 8 hours na ano ha. Dito natin.
Sakan lang to.
Ano be? Okay ka lang?
Hindi.
Hindi na pala, alam ko. Ako nga, nasa ita-ita na pa eh. Ano?
leave the city way behind. No more hurry, no more run. Out here I can breathe.
Kaya pagalitan ako. Ano kami?
The peace and
Kapit
beauty,
na.
they're just what I need.
Sino?
Going wherever it may lead. No rush, no plan, enjoy the ride. Just me in the countryside. On this country road, my spirit feels so
Pasukin natin.
alive.
Be, yung ano, plastic ng ano.
On this
Pleto tayo
country
mga
road,
pleto tayo
my
lalabas ha.
spirit feels so alive.
Ha? Yo.
Counting.
Outing tayo ha.
The city way behind. No more hurrying, no more run.
Hoy, ingat ha. Obes kami yan.
Rows of corn and wheat sway in the breeze. The farmer's tractor works the farmland.
Pinatupasan kami guys.
Going wherever it may lead. No rush, no plan, enjoy the ride. Just me and the countryside.
Go bes.
This country road.
Sila guys. Uy, may kalaban dito ni ano, Sirena.
The city way behind.
Uy.
No more hurrying, no more run. Out here I can breathe.
Andito yun, nasa na?
Driving
Andito si Pikil guys.
windows roll down.
Guys.
Winding past the open field. The fresh air is so invigorating. Going wherever it may lead. No rush, no plan, enjoy the
Ano
ride.
masasabi mo sa kaibang nakikita mo?
Just me and the countryside.
Yeah.
Kaya ko to! Problema ka lang!
Horses grazing near a farmhouse. Rows of corn and wheat swaying the breeze.
Guys.
Farmers tractor looks the farmland.
Grabe yung biyahe na yun. Balik na kami. Sasabit pa kaya tayo? Hindi niya bumaba. Reversing. Yeah. Oo.
Leave the city way behind. No more hurry, no more grind. Out here I can breathe, I can think. Peace and beauty, they're just what I need.
City
Going
lights.
wherever it may be.